How to uninstall and reinstall NordLayer for macOS. To uninstall the NordLayer application, 1. Navigate to your Applications folder using Finder, and locate the NordLayer application. 2. Drag and drop the application icon into the trash, at the end of the dock, or tap with 2 fingers on the icon and choose the Move to Trash option in the pop-up menu. Please note that the application will be permanently removed from your Mac the next time you or the Finder empties the trash. If you decide you want to keep the app, get it back before emptying the trash, select NordLayer in the Trash, File, Put Back. Afterwards, download and install NordLayer from NordLayer website or the App Store.